Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm fixing not only my hair guys, but also my face. I put some face powder, because it's oily. It's become oily guys. I don't know guys. My face is become oily today. Okay. Oh. And I put a little bit hair oil guys. Putting a hair oil on my hair guys is like, I love it, because it will be easy to comb and a little bit shiny, but only a little bit guys, a little bit oil for the hair treatment. Okay guys, I give you the full length of my hair today. It's already like a little longer than before. How are you guys? And this is it. This is my hair. Thank you Lord for letting it longer, growing. Thank you Lord. Give thanks, thanks to the grateful. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because she's given in Jesus Christ, His Son. And more, little weak, see I am strong. Little poor, see I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. I make a ponytail today guys, because I'm going to cook for lunch. Prepare food for my employer. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. Keep safe everyone. And I hope you are in a good condition while watching me. And to all my subscribers, to all my friends over there, hi. And I'm glad that we meet here in YouTube. And we meet here and my little YouTube channel. I always uh, looking forward, guys, to meet other people in this amazing world, because we are all like human who have a life cycle in this world. I don't know, guys, but I know that the reality of life is we all are like passing by in this world. That's why I hope I met you in personal, guys. To all my friends here. But I know you're so far and so like distance in me. But I always looking forward, guys, to meet you there, over there. I don't know, I have a like I have a feelings. I have a feelings that uh, I like to meet you all, guys, but you know we can't. It's impossible, but there's no impossible if God give me time for that. Why not, right? Ah, I have a little bit of missing people, but I don't know who they are. But you know, guys, all my friends here, thank you so much for all my friends who always like commented on my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate the effort and the time that you like comment to me, the comment on my videos. Thank you so much, guys. And I have a teary eye. I don't know why. I feel sad. I feel sad, but uh, but I feel sad, miss, but and I feel happy. That's all. It's mixed emotion. I feel a mixed emotion, guys. But I really mean a lot to all of you guys, to all my friends over here. And yeah, thank you so much. Oh, but I'm happy, guys, because I meet a friend here. Okay, now I put it on my hair. As usual, as I always do. As I always did here in my YouTube channel. Wait. And this is it. I feel that, guys, I have a change of topic, guys, but I feel that uh, I need to give an advice. I know that I'm not professional in this, guys, but I want to give a piece of advice that if there's a person, people rather, in your life now, please cherish it. Love them with all your heart as you love yourself and God, because it's very rare that you meet people in your life that truly loves and stay with you. That's all, guys. Oh my god, I don't know. You know, guys, I'm not very good in English, but I try my best to speak English because other of my friend here, my subscribers here is speaking English, but you know, guys, I don't have very good English. Only a little bit, but I understand, but I can speak English, fluent English. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys, and it's already 13 minutes now. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening, as always. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. Keep safe, everyone.